Hey friends, today in Super Child we'll be talking about how to help your daughter be ready for her first period. Guys, if your child is biologically female, she is almost sure to eventually menstruate as she grows up. And the sooner you start talking about it, the better. So, when do periods usually start? Most girls start their periods when they are about 12, but they can start as early as 8. So, it's important to talk to girls from an early age to make sure they are well prepared for it. Yes, before you get your first period, you might notice changes like the development of pubic hair, such as thicker hair on the legs or underarms. Also, the development of acne on the face or body. Also, the development of breast. Such changes will occur in female's body. Talking about periods, you should explain that some bloody fluid will trickle out of the vagina slowly over the course of 3 to 7 days, and that she'll use pads, tampons, or reusable period products to collect it so it doesn't get on her clothes. Boys also need to learn about periods. What can I do about cramps? So, there are two options: soaking in a hot bath or applying a cloth covered heating pad to your stomach or lower back are the two options you can do to decrease the pain of period cramps. Also, you can take a medicine for that. Popular products used during periods are menstrual pad, tampons, menstrual cup, or panty liners. These are the four things that can be used during periods. Usually, pads are the most common among these four. While many girls prefer to start with pads because they are easy to use, but they still require some basic know-how. Disposable pads have an adhesive backing. Peel off the paper that covers the sticky side and adhere the pad to the inside of your underwear. Pad should be disposed of in the garbage and not to be flushed off. How often will periods happen? So menstrual bleeding might happen every 21st to 35th days and last 2 to 7 days for the first few years after menstruation begins. Long cycles are common. However, menstrual cycles tend to shorten and become more regular in ages. Equip her with must-have supplies and good instructions. Yes, your daughter might not be at home when she gets her first period. So it's wise to set up her with a period kit that she can keep in her backpack or even purse. Fill a bag or cosmetic case with. Yes, the things are a few pads, tampons, or reusable period products. Next is a clean pair of underwear. Next is a zip closed bag for dirty underwear. Next is some hypoallergenic wipes. So how painful is your periods? Well, periods pain are not same for every female. It differs from body to body. Some women suffer a lot of pain during their periods, while some has a very easy to go periods. You can use hot water bag if you have a lot of pain during your periods. A female's first period is an important milestone. Waiting for it can be scary, exciting, or both. Talk with a trusted adult doctor or nurse to ask questions and get advice. Friends, if you find this video useful, please do like, share, and subscribe.